Welcome to my YouTube channel. Is your Windows 11 running slow? Don't worry. In this short video, I will show you 3 simple tricks to make your PC faster, all without installing anything. Let's get started. Right here on IT Fixer. Right click the Windows icon and select Task Manager. Now go to the Startup tab. Here you will see a list of programs that launch when your computer starts. Right click on the ones you don't need and click Disable, because some of them are main reason to become slower of your PC performance. So therefore just select disable mode. All done. Everything is good. It was first method to improve your PC performance. Second trick is turning off animations. Let's press Windows plus R and type sysdm.cpl and hit the enter. Go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings under Performance. Now select Adjust for best performance to disable all unnecessary animations. Click Apply and OK. That's it. Finally, let's clean up junk files using this cleanup. Click the Start menu and type Disk Clean Up and open it. Select your main drive, usually C, and hit OK. Check all the boxes, then click OK and confirm the delete the files. This can free up storage and speed up your system. See you in the next ones.